It is no secret that Namibia has some of the most beautiful destinations.
The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake.
We're going to Jackal with the car over there behind me, and super excited.
My travel partner and I are headed up north to Katima Mulilo as the beautiful Jackal tented camp awaits us under the Wild Waters group.
Okay, so guys, we made it.
Welcome to Jackal, ladies. It's such a beautiful appetizer, refreshment for you.
Thank you.
And then face cloth, so you can have a refreshment.
Oh, I need this. I need this after a long drive.
Come along, guys.
Our host is so lovely.
We're going to your room. If you don't find the luggage, and find the luggage.
Hey guys, so we just finished getting ready. We are going for a boat cruise now, and we want to take you with. So yeah, come along. Good morning, guys. We are heading out for a game drive. Come with me.
Hello everybody, my name is Erica and I'm working for the Wild Waters Company. What Wild Waters stands out for is a sustainable tourism orientated umbrella company that consists of beautiful 4 lodges, which is in Casa Lupala Tented Lodge, Jackalberry Tented Camp, we have got the Rupara campsite, and then we have got Sarandela Tented Lodge. All these 4 lodges is a partnership with communities. All our lodges are eco-friendly and we indeed encourage sustainable tourism. I encourage you to travel with Wild Waters. We are wild and exclusive. We offer various activities, from a combination tour that can include the game drive with the boat ride. We have got short game drives, we do exclusive boat rides, we have got night drives, and then we have got guided walks, and plus also do the village tour. We accommodate all types of clientele, from the lower range of budget to the higher range. You can visit, it's an anniversary, friends and family, school trips. I encourage you to come and visit, and you will have a memorable stay with the Wild Waters team.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air so crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy.
Morning, guys. This brings us to the end of our trip, basically.
Yeah.
We had such a great time here with
It was
Wild
lovely.
Waters at Jackal Camp. On our way back to Katima, we passed by one of the local craftsmen's shop. He showed me around. And in today's world, the role of a craftsman in the tourism industry is very evident and is a reliable source of income. Purchasing of handcrafts is also an effective way of development for the tourism industry and a form of cultural exchange with other ethnic groups. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of our trip, and we'd like to say thank you to our sponsors.
The Wild Waters Group, we loved our stay. It was a wonderful, wonderful experience.
Right, and we had the best host. So with that said, we'd also like to say thank you to Tourismus Namibia for creating the platform and for allowing us to celebrate tourism within Namibia. Yeah. I'd also like to use this opportunity to thank Caprivi Adventures for making sure that we made it to and from our destination safely.